I've seen that becoming an attorney takes a lot more than just knowing and finding the law. You have to be able to feel how your clients see the world and how that affects themselves and their loved ones. Elder law particularly has hit home for me because my dad was struck suddenly with pneumonia, flash pneumonia, when he was in Florida and had to fight for his life. Knowing how hard it is to be put through that process and the heavy burden it puts on a family, we know firsthand planning early can make all the difference. One of those things I've seen as we age, that we as parents of adult children have to care for one another, and a lot of times you have to make very difficult decisions about your quality of life and the ones around you. For instance, a guardianship. We have to take care of someone who can't take care of themselves. Family disputes that need careful attention and sensitivity to resolve the problems you and your loved ones have to make for your elders so that they have their needs met when they need it the most. Seeing how our time has been so heavily involved in estate planning for decades, we know that clients' needs will evolve and change over time. When you bring up your legacy, this can mean many things to different people. We speak with you with compassion to guide you in the process of how your assets will be protected and cared for yourself and the next generation. You need to have the right tools and resources in place to protect what matters most. Your home, your investments, and knowing the correct structure to save for large expenses that we face in our later years can change both our emotional and financial futures. The business of elder law is about solving problems, very real and very serious problems, and you have to be prepared for the unexpected. As we can't predict the future or know when the next crisis will affect us, the attorneys here at Jinks Law are committed to help you create that plan to protect your legacy for years to come.